This is Oppo Reno 5Z, and today we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, launch the Google Play Store, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the network, of course. Next, at the search bar, type in Opera, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app, as well as once the Opera is opened for the first time, you gotta undergo a very simple and swift setup procedure. So in here, tap on the blue continue button, then choose whether some of the features the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always go for this skip option and leave the configuration process of those features for later. I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is this page that allows you to either customize the permissions, access, cookies, and what's not that you're going to grant to Opera, or grant an access for Opera too, or simply allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.